You have carbonyls that are practically defined as your carbon double bond to oxygen, and you have your alkenes, which are carbon double bonded to carbons. Both of these functional groups are planar, right? So this entire system, as well as this entire system, sits inside of a plane or on a plane. And so you can think of this as being one substituent facing backwards, away from the viewer, one towards the viewer, and then one that just kind of sits in this plane kind of horizontally. Same with these alkene functional groups. You have two substituents that face backwards with this dash notation, and two substituents that face forward towards the viewer with this wedge notation. But again, each functional group sits within the plane of as drawn, right? These little planes.